Hey everyone, welcome, and I want to thank you very much for joining me in this video. If you are new to this channel is called IPO Market Watch. My name is Mike and I cover IPOs, but not just IPOs. I also cover all the stocks trading in the stock market. What else? ETFs, dividend stocks, sometimes even treasury bonds. All sorts of things, guys. All sorts of things. Anything that would be interesting in trying to make money, right? That's the whole point of why we even get involved in the stock market, right? We don't get involved to lose money. That's the whole point. So, let's get started. First of all, before I get started with the IPO review that I want you to see, because there's something important that I want to show you about this particular IPO. People are very excited about it, but just want to show you one thing that maybe you might want to know. First of all, in my Discord, guys, called Bull Market Watch. Today I talked about, just give you an update of what's going on. Today I talked about ESTA. Now I know it says here 1:18 p.m. that you see here. That's the time where I live. So let's just go 8 hours back, and that would give you the New York time, which would be about 6:18 a.m. So at 6 o'clock in the morning, New York time, I posted this for my members who woke up in the US very early. ESTA, guys, trades at 34.39 in pre-market right now. Establishment Labs says FDA granted 510K clearance, and I explained the reason so on. What happened with this stock right now? It's at 36.96, pretty much 37. It actually even touched 39 today, so it gone up a lot since that pre-market. So you'd be up, you'd be making money. That's good. I also talked about at 7:09 a.m. New York Eastern time today, during pre-market. In my Discord, I posted this. It's a screenshot actually from my Discord. So as you see it, this is what I posted. BNOX at $3.81. I even went on to say, after I explained the reasons why this is something to look at if you want to buy and so on, is that my guess is that it will first go down to, see where it says here, I had written that my guess is that it would first go down to 359 and then it would go up. Well, guess what? It went down to 360 and then it took off to go to 435. Nailed so far, both of them perfectly fine. Money makers, good stuff. Next one is the third that I talked about in my Discord this morning, is about EDIT at 705 and it's now at 729. And the fourth stock that I talked about, which I can't mention because that's the stock I said that I would buy out of the four that I talked about. Even though any of the four you chose, you'd still be up making money. The fourth one is up also, and we're doing really good on that one. So that's that. If you want to join us, it will be, if you want to join the investing community where we all help each other out, right? This isn't a Discord where I promise you to make you $1 million and all that bull. That's dumb stuff. If anyone promises you to take you to the moon and all that stuff, that's quick, rich. Those are schemes, guys. So we're a community. We help each other out. We're doing really good, and we've also developed friendship, and it's awesome. And there's also powerful tools like dark pool and all that. So it's on patreon.com/bullmarketwatch. Now let's talk about Alpha Technology Group Limited, which has filed for an $8 million US IPO. This company provides IT software development services in the greater Hong Kong region. And the company, like I said, it's a Hong Kong stock, and that really does get people very happy when it comes to pre-ordering, because we know that the Hong Kong stocks are the ones that always end up, if they're going to pop, they're the ones who pop. This is going public on October 20th, guys. Ticker symbol ATGL. It's available for pre-order right now at $4 to $5, and it's offering 1.7 million shares. Management is headed by Chang Anthony Ho, who has been with the company since February 2023. The company offers system development, web and mobile app development, AI, optical character recognition, support and maintenance services, and also NFT related services. If we look at the total revenue of the company in 2021, $519,000, then they go to $562,000. 2023, they're at $706,000 just for the first 6 months. So as far as revenue is concerned, they're doing good. Gross profit loss went from $186,000 to $127,000 in 2022 to over $250,000 in 2023. The gross margin is on an average of about, I'd say, 30%. The operating profit loss went from $118,000 to $345,000. Net income loss goes from $125,000 to over $800,000. Cash flow from operations went from $68,000 to over, nearly $200,000. So this company, guys, has $1.45 million in cash. They have over $2.6 million total liabilities. The free cash flow is positive $108,000. But here's something that you should know. So if you are going to pre-order this, you should know that the company is going to grant over 2 million shares to shareholders to sell right away on day one. That's 2 million shares that would be dumped on top of the 1.7 that they're offering, right? And I'm pretty sure they're going to sell them all on day one. It's going to be, yeah, from what I'm seeing, it's most like some kind of investment firm, some kind of funds, and Hanoverian International Group. So yeah, they're definitely selling on day one. Now, if they're going to sell on day one, you would think that they would want the stock to go up first, right? They can make a little more money. But you know, they could sell right away at $4 to $5 when it goes public. You know, they receive those shares that they're gonna sell at an extremely insanely cheap price. So anything goes. It is a concern every time you have that they would sell on day one. Last time we had that, the stock actually went from $5 it was available for pre-order, and it pretty much tanked. As far as the market cap is concerned, we can see it here, the enterprise value and all that. Operating margin is at negative 54%, net margin negative 54%. This is not a profitable company. Prime number capital is the underwriter. I give it a neutral, and I personally will not pre-order this, and I will stay out. I'll watch it when it goes public. If it starts to go down and pretty much tank, I will follow it and maybe decide to get in if I find a bottom that I think is good enough. But other than that, I'm not going to get in, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you guys all the best. Take care.